It's Monday morning, I need a haircut. I've got this transit in as well, that we've spoke about this, but I don't know whether to do a separate video on this, because you like the transits, I don't know. This is a week at Shine. If you know nothing about our channel, we are a car project channel. We have loads of projects on, but we film what we call a week in Shine, which is what we do day in, day out, just the grind of the week to make some money to fund these projects. That's it. That's Monday. And we've had another job for a service in MOT that should have been here half an hour ago, and it's still not here yet. It might turn up, but I'm not holding my counting my chickens. I've got a Freelander in for the boost pipe issue. Boost pipe that's split there. There's a boost pipe there where my finger is. And Sam's putting a new one on there. Morning, Bella. Morning. Happy Monday, everyone. Happy Monday, everyone. Right, we have this old Land Rover in, and it's lost its brakes. I'm just taking the bonnet off because it's dead easy. It's a nice clean example how it would have been in its day, how it would have been seen driving around on the road. That's what I like about it. And this was
patina.
The patina. It was right, isn't it? It's not patina, it's how it would have been, wouldn't it? Like it. And it's got no brakes, and Sam is fixing the brakes. What's up with the brakes, do you think? You don't know yet. Foot goes flat to the floor. So there we go. Okay, look at that A badge, that's beautiful, that like. Maybe worth some coin them things. Huh? So yeah, nice old bus. It's nice to work on a few bits of things that are different now and then. Sam likes working on oddball stuff. Keep back. Yorkshire folk get proper priority here. Nice. I'm getting on with that transit custom, so yeah. And then Lewis is doing some work on his own car. Filming today, which is something good and all, so yeah. It's not a bad Monday. The weather is out, the weather's good. So yeah, I'm gonna find my spray gun and do some painting or some priming. But you'll have to watch the other video to see that. Lewis is working on his own car today, and I'm not showing you, but he's doing some proper trip. And I am well impressed. So he's getting some bits done in his car, and what he's done, hats off to him. I am proper impressed. He hasn't finished it yet though, so it could all go terribly wrong. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
Nobody can see what you're doing because it's facing me.
Oh, that's good then.
Yeah, so
That's lots of horsepower there.
it doesn't matter. Look, wicked. We're just gonna have to work out what we're gonna do with the back seat. So we're doing a back seat delete. Get a mattress in the back, eh?
Yeah, I quite like the back seats in this though.
People don't know what the seats are, mate. People don't know what the seats are. They're magic seats.
That's what Honda called them.
Yeah. People aren't meant to know what car it is.
That's what Mazda called them.
That's what Mazda call them. I'm leaving that in because it's funny anyway. Yeah, it's just a shame. What colour are the back seats? Pink. Yeah, so... Right, anyway, I'll let Lewis get on, and now I'm going to carry on because I have to just keep waffling. Right, so we're on to Monday afternoon, and this car that was meant to come in this morning has turned up. So Sam now is rushing around like a blue-ass fly, trying to get it serviced and MOT'd in a lightning bolt, so I think he's sweating. We won't talk to Sam.
How did it make it here?
Is that how much oil it was in it?
That's it.
You are joking. I can't believe how much oil was in that. Oh my god, that's none whatsoever. What's you got there, mate?
One off the car,
Yeah?
one supplied.
What's wrong? The wrong size battery. Is that a stop-start battery?
Wrong amperage, not stop start.
Oh. Well, there you go.
No
I'll leave you to that.
No
Ooh,
spark.
ooh, what's that there? What's that there? Ooh. Ooh. Hi, it is Tuesday morning, and we've put a front section on this not so long ago, and the back section decided the back box was going to fall off, even though I looked at it and it seemed in good condition. It's not, because there's no back box now. So yeah, so I've got a section coming out for that one. Sam's looking at a Clio that somebody put the engine in, and they were doing it on the driveway, and then they somehow threw away the engine with the ECU on the engine that was meant for the car. So he's just having a look now to see if he can sort it out or get an ECU set for that. So that's Tuesday, and I'm doing the transit, which I'll make a separate video so you can't see that. Who's that? Right, got this little Polo in for a check over and a bit of a service. So I've got a service kit. Sam's going to do that because I'm still on with the van. So that's our Tuesday afternoon. Getting rattled off. Nice little service. Hopefully everything will be alright with it.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not.
No.
Why is that?
When everything's alright, it doesn't pay.
I know, that's very true. That's very true. So there we go. Right, that's another one in. Right, it's Wednesday afternoon, and that's been in for an oil leak, and there is a Mini that Sam is sorting out in the garage. I'm desperately trying to get this transit finished because there's been a massive change of plan, and you find out in the rest of the week at Shine, because it's going to change drastically, like a week at Shine that's never happened before. Never ever. So yeah, the garage is busy. Lewis is on with his Fiesta. He's been doing some work on his own car. So yeah, it's just a crazy Wednesday, and it's the afternoon now because I've been that busy with this. I've got the dust on me. Yeah, so it's just been a crazy Wednesday, and it just dawned on me as I was standing, oh yeah, I better start filming the week at Shine, haven't I? White wheels in the back of a van. White wheels. So yeah, you just have to carry on watching to find out. Ooh, exciting times. Right, I thought I'd get this right because it's Wednesday night and I've come to help Wayne because his sheep escaped. But apparently I've got to go on this amazing... How do you get up it? The wall of death. I've got to go up the wall of death. I aren't getting up there.
Here you are. Come on. This is what farmers do. Clive, fat boy, look at the bum hole. Oh, the hole's so glorious. Yeah, no one bit will go through it. Right, no, you can't go down side it, you have to go down the bridges.
I've got down the bridges?
Go down the bridges. Go under the bridges, not over the bridges.
Under the bridge?
No, like under the... You don't...
Oh, right, yeah.
You're teaching children bad habits.
I can't get under there.
I don't think you
can't get through there. I'm through.
Can everyone remember when Connie was skinny? Look for the telescope, play on the wheel. Come on, good child.
What?
Telescope, wheel, spin it.
I could see some sheep. I could see a sheep in the pig's fig.
Can you?
That's where they are.
Oh, I hate sheep.
That's where the sheep is.
Missing sheep.
See, I came up here for a reason.
Find the
I
missing
looked straight
sheep.
through the telescope. There's a sheep. We better go get the sheep. The lost sheep there, look.
When you become a farmer, you don't realise sheep want to die and escape. Go on, Teddy. Teddy, what? Come on. Well, come on then. Teddy, are you going down the slide? Hang on. Colin. No, you have to go down the yellow one. Get back up. We'll get the sheep in a second. There's a ladder. There's a ladder this. There's a ladder this side. There's a ladder this side. Come on, this way.
Oh yeah, ladder. Look at the sheep. Oh.
This is what we do. We don't even go to the pub.
I've got to drive the boat.
Hang on. I can't talk. I'm filming a YouTube video of Colin on the park. It's a YouTube video. You're live on the phone whinging at me. Right, he's about
Everybody's
to put it
listening to you.
Don't snap it.
I didn't know when it was going to end.
I'm so sorry, my life.
Right, that was the Wednesday evening. Right, it's on to Thursday, and I've been up mega early. Had an issue with this van that I was doing, just on one of the arches. Sam's been doing this BMW, took it home. She's got a DPF issue as well from what I was doing yesterday. That there, and then we're in the garage. He's doing rear brakes on that van that we welded up a couple of weeks ago. That's having rear brakes and the handbrake cable adjusted. So it's a crazy busy Thursday for me, especially. I've got to go get my hair cut at 1:30, and I've got to have this van finished because there's been a massive change to this week. What's going on? Yeah, and on to Thursday afternoon, and I need to go and drop the dogs off. And there's an engine in the back of the van that I forgot all about. So we've got to squeeze the dogs in here. I can't believe this. Can't believe we're doing this. It's gonna have to happen. Down in the footwell. Down in the footwell. Go on. Can't believe this. I know you're looking at me like this isn't right. Get in. Go on. You have to go in. Go on. In. Right, stay down. Stay down. Stay down. You're gonna have to sit like that. Oh God. Yes, I'm just back from the barber's shop. And I've had my hair cut because I need my hair cut. And now I've got to go drop the dogs off. You're thinking, what's going on? At the start of the week, I didn't think this would end up like that. What? Yes, we've got no, down. Right, let's go and drop these dogs off. Right, it's Thursday evening. Where am I? I'm in a hotel. I'm going somewhere at 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't know why I walked in the bathroom to talk to you. I don't know why I do this walking around. So I'm in a hotel and I'm going somewhere. And we'll finish the week in shine with wherever I'm going to end up. It's been a crazy week. I would never have thought a week in shine would end up like this. But there you go. There you go. Crazy. It's Friday. And that's a plane. What is going on? I've hardly had no sleep. 6 o'clock in the morning. I've been at this airport since 2:30. What is going on? We had a bit of emergency landing. We're in Gatwick because a nice bird decided to get chewed up in the plane. Wow, 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 wow. So yeah, we're grounded for a bit now. Where are you going? What day is it?
It's Funny Friday. It's the way Clara stand out from a week in shine. I've abrupted him, and I'm going to turn him upside down.